Hello everyone, your Reshmi here from your Eyes Person Soap. You all are doing very good today. Thank you so much for your support as always. And today I have selected some smart, elegant, beautiful collections based for your party wear. So let me display. This one very beautiful color, royal blue shade, semi garad silk with beautiful fine weaving design, contrast color border, very soft, lightweight, smart, bright looks based for your party wear. This one full base part, very trendy looks. This one is full base part additional also, and this one border portions golden zari with contrast green, parrot green thread weaving design border, semi garad silk highlighted temple weaving design, and full base part is beautiful weaving Buddha design, very smart, elegant, bright looks. And this one pallu portions contrast color dye with beautiful fine weaving design pallu, very soft, smart, bright looks, contrast color dye border with fine weaving design. And this one full base part, very beautiful one, soft, comfortable, pure weaving design, semi garad silk with beautiful fine weaving Buddha design and border portions, very nice one. This one is running blouse piece, contrast color, and this one is full base part, royal blue shade. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding, fresh, bright looks. This one also very beautiful one, same material, same pattern, different color only, black base with contrast border, semi garad silk with beautiful fine weaving design, and very bright, smart looks based for your party wear. This one full base part, black base. This one is border portions, green shaded with beautiful golden zari fine weaving border, and this one pallu portions, contrast color pallu, contrast color dye pallu with beautiful fine silver golden zari weaving heavy worked patch pallu, and this one is pallu in, and this one full base part, very bright, beautiful looks, semi garad silk with fine weaving Buddha design, highlighted border. This one is contrast color running blouse piece, and this one is full base part, black base, golden zari weaving Buddha design. And I will suggest this silk material, soft silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding, bright, fresh looks, very gorgeous also. So very beautiful bright color combinations based for your party wear, gorgeous looks, premium quality, pure handloom silk lane with beautiful silver zari fine weaving design Buddha and border. This one full base part, bright, fresh looks. This one is border portions, contrast color dye border, green shaded with beautiful fine silver zari weaving Banarasi work, and full base part is beautiful silver zari fine weaving Buddha design, very smart, bright looks, elegant one. This one full base part, premium quality, pure handloom silk linen material, and this one is highlighted border, fully Banarasi weaving work, gold silver zari Buddha design, full base part. And this one pallu portions, very highlighted one, contrast color dye pallu with beautiful silver zari fine weaving design, Banarasi work pallu, beautiful pom pom design, and this one running blouse piece, very beautiful, bright, gorgeous looks based for your party wear, wedding functions, very nice one. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your trendy, smart, bright looks. These are also very beautiful one, premium quality, soft silk material with beautiful fine weaving design, very smart looks. This one full base part, yellow shade with beautiful weaving work, full base part, very smart, bright looks. This one is full base part, beautiful color combinations and fine golden zari weaving design, Banarasi work, and full base part is beautiful weaving Buddha design, soft silk material with weaving work, very nice one, bright looks based for your party wear. This one running blouse piece, border portions Banarasi work, and this one pallu portions, very beautiful one, contrast color with fine threaded with golden zari weaving heavy worked pallu. This one is full base part is weaving buta design, and this one is pallu portions, contrast color with fine weaving design, very nice and bright looks, based for your party wear. And I will suggest this silk material heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your smart, bright, gorgeous looks. And this one also same material, same pattern, different color, only soft silk with beautiful fine heavy Banarasi work, buta and border and pallu portions, very nice one. This one full base part, this one is full base part, beautiful fine weaving buta design, and this one is border portions, fine silver zari weaving design border. Very nice looks, beautiful one. And this one pallu portions, contrast color with heavy weaving design, heavy worked pallu, soft silk with Banarasi weaving work, very nice one, based for your party wear, beautiful gorgeous looks. This one is full base, very nice one, soft comfortable soft silk with Banarasi weaving work, very nice one, gorgeous looks, yellow base with fine weaving buta design. And I will say this piece silk material brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding bright gorgeous looks. So very beautiful one, pure handloom spun silk with heavy weaving pallu design, very smart elegant looks, fully hand weaving design, very trendy smart looks. This one full base part, soft, very soft comfortable pure handloom spun silk, and this one border portions, contrast color highlighted fine stripes pattern border, and beautiful silver zari weaving buta design, very elegant looks, based for your professional wear, very nice one, smart looks, soft silk, soft spun silk, highlighted border, and this one is running blouse piece, and this one pallu portions, fully silver zari fine weaving design, heavy worked pallu and fully hand weaving design, very smart bright looks, and very soft comfortable also, pure handloom spun silk with beautiful weaving buta, silver zari weaving buta, full base part and heavy worked pallu, very soft one, smart trendy looks. And I will suggest this silk material heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding fresh trendy looks. So very beautiful one, art silk heavy work Banarasi weaving work, very nice one, art silk with beautiful Banarasi weaving work buta pattern, full base part, border portions also heavy worked contrast color border with fine weaving design, heavy worked border, and this one pallu portions, contrast color blue shade with beautiful Banarasi weaving zari weaving heavy worked pallu, and this one border portions, fine weaving design, heavy worked Banarasi work pallu, and this one split section, this one is upper base part weaving buta design red base, and this one is blue shade patli pallu pattern, this one is split sections, very smart trendy bright looks, art silk Banarasi work, very nice one. This one is running blouse piece, this one is split section, and this one is upper base part, and pallu end is same patli pallu blue shade, very elegant trendy smart looks. And I will suggest this silk material heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding fresh bright looks. This one also very beautiful one, soft silk material with Banarasi weaving work, based for your party wear gorgeous looks, heavy worked border and pallu. This one full base part, soft comfortable bright looks, bright sky blue shade, and this one border portions, fully Banarasi weaving heavy worked border, and this one is full base part, beautiful weaving buta design Banarasi weaving buta, and this one is heavy worked border, very nice one, soft lightweight smart bright looks. This one is running blouse piece, and this one pallu portions, very beautiful one, contrast color with heavy worked pallu, same border like contrast color with fine Banarasi weaving heavy worked pallu, and this one is full base part, very bright beautiful gorgeous looks, based for your party wear. And I will suggest this silk material heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding gorgeous party looks. This one also, you know, a soft silk, pure handloom soft silk with heavy weaving design, border and full base part and bright color combinations. Very nice one. Let me open. Beautiful color, beautiful red shade, soft silk and with beautiful fine weaving border design. And this one, you know, border portions, contrast color dye border with fine weaving design, border portion soft one, soft handloom silk with beautiful contrast color border with fine weaving design. This one, you know, pallu portions, contrast color dye pallu with fine weaving design pallu. And this one, you know, border same like running blouse piece, bouquet work, fully weaving design. And this one is full base part, bright color combination. This one border portions, contrast color dye border with fine weaving design, golden and silver zari contrast weaving design, heavy worked border. And this one is full base part, very bright, beautiful, smart looks. Very nice one. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding, fresh, gorgeous looks. I've seen a very beautiful one, soft silk, pure handloom soft silk with heavy weaving work, contrast color dye border, very smart, bright, elegant looks. This one, you know, full base part, beautiful fine weaving butta design. And this one is contrast color dye border with fine hand weaving design border. This one is contrast color dye border, fully hand weaving work. And this one is full base part, soft, comfortable, soft silk with contrast color dye border. This one, you know, contrast color dye border with fine weaving design, heavy worked pallu, same running blouse piece, pocket work. Very nice one. This one, you know, full base part, sky blue shade, bright sky blue shade, soft one, very soft silk with beautiful fine Banarasi weaving, heavy worked border. Very smart, bright looks. This one is full base part and this one is border portions, fully hand weaving work. Very nice one. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding, fresh, bright looks. This one also, you know, a beautiful one, pure Dupian silk with digital printed one, very elegant, bright, smart looks, very elegant one. This one is full base part, soft, comfortable. This one is full base, beautiful digital printed one, pure handloom, pure Dupian silk with beautiful digital printed one. This one, you know, border pallu portions, highlighted golden zari stripes with beautiful digital printed pallu. And this one is full base part, soft, comfortable, pure handloom Dupian silk with beautiful digital printed on. This one is running blouse piece and this one is full base part. Very trendy, smart looks, fully digital printed, floral printed, soft, comfortable, obviously. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding, bright, smart looks. Very elegant one. This one also, you know, a beautiful one, pure semi cotton, pure handloom semi cotton base with beautiful printed one. Very smart one, full base part is smart printed, elegant looks, purple shade, light purple. And this one is full base part, beautiful printed. And this one, you know, pallu portions, stripes pattern printed pallu, full base part is printed one, soft, comfortable, based for your office wear, daily wear. Very smart looks. This one, you know, full base part, beautiful printed one, very trendy look, soft, comfortable, summer friendly. This one is running blouse piece and this one is full base part, very elegant one. And I will suggest this silk material printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding, trendy daily looks. In a very bright, beautiful one, semi georgette with heavy Banarasi weaving work. Very nice one, bright looks, based for your party wear. This one, you know, full base part, smart, bright looks. This one is full base part, beautiful yellow shade, and full base part is golden zari lahariya pattern weaving design, full base, soft, comfortable one. And this one is contrast color dye with Banarasi weaving work. Very nice one, bright looks, soft, comfortable, semi georgette. and this one is pallu portions, heavy Banarasi weaving work, contrast color dye with Banarasi weaving design, heavy worked pallu, very soft, comfortable, smart, trendy looks. This one is full base part, and full base part is golden zari weaving lahariya pattern, full base part. And this one running blouse piece, this one is running blouse piece border design, and this one is border portions, very bright looks, contrast color dye with fine weaving design, heavy Banarasi worked border. This one is bordered, contrast color dye with fine weaving design, very soft, lightweight, smart, bright looks, based for your party wear. This one is full base, very nice one, bright looks. And I will suggest this silk material, soft silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding, bright, gorgeous looks, based for your party wear. This one also very beautiful on same material, beautiful smart looks, semi georgette base and with beautiful Banarasi weaving border and full base part. This one full base part, very smart looks, contrast color dye with Banarasi weaving fine design border. And this one is full base part, lahariya pattern, full base, beautiful weaving design, full lahariya pattern is weaving, golden zari weaving. And this one pallu portions, contrast color dye with fine Banarasi weaving buta work pallu. And this one border portions, very nice one, beautiful contrast color dye border with fine Banarasi weaving, heavy worked, very smart, bright, trendy looks, soft, lightweight, based for your party wear, very nice one. And I will suggest this silk material buta work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding, fresh, bright looks. This one also beautiful one, very smart looks, art silk, soft one, heavy work, very trendy, bright looks. Let me open. Soft art silk, this one full base part, beautiful weaving buta design. This one is border portions, contrast color golden zari with fine weaving design, heavy worked border. And this one is pallu portions, fully heavy weaving design, heavy worked pallu, poithani pattern weaving design, heavy worked pallu, art silk, full base part is buta work, peacock motif. And this one is full base, very smart, trendy, bright looks, based for your party wear. This one is full base, this one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base part, very bright one. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding, fresh, bright, gorgeous looks. So very beautiful same material, art silk with soft one, beautiful bright color combinations, very smart, bright looks. This one full base part, beautiful heavy work. This one is full base part, beautiful color combinations also. And this one border portions, fine weaving design, heavy worked border, very smart, bright looks, soft one, art silk, soft one. And this one pallu portions, contrast color weaving design, heavy worked pallu. And this one full base part, soft, lightweight, smart, bright looks, very trendy one, based for your party wear. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base part, very nice one. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding, bright, gorgeous looks. This one also a beautiful one, very smart looks, soft silk material, highlighted contrast color, temple weaving design border, and very smart, trendy one. This one full base part, bright one, the soft silk material, pure handloom. And this one border portions highlighted, red contrast with temple weaving design, heavy worked temple weaving design border. And this one is fully weaving red border, handloom. And this one is full base part, soft, lightweight, smart looks. This one is running blouse piece, stripes pattern. And this one pallu portions, dupian stripes pallu, beautiful smart looks, dupian silk, stripes pattern, pallu end. And this one is full base part, very smart, trendy, bright, elegant looks. And I will suggest this silk material, golden base, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding, trendy, smart looks. This one also, you know, beautiful one, bright blue shade, royal blue, soft silk material with beautiful weaving butta design, red contrast border with beautiful weaving butta design, full base part. This one, you know, border portions contrast color red border, and full border portions beautiful golden zari fine weaving design border, and full base part is small butta design, very smart bright look, soft one. This one is full base. This one is running blouse piece, and this one, you know, pallu portions contrast color with heavy golden zari fine weaving design, heavy worked pallu, very gorgeous one, bright fresh looks. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this for your outstanding bright trendy looks. So, you know, very beautiful one, soft silk material, heavy weaving work, very bright one, pink base, red contrast border, very nice one, smart trendy looks. This one, you know, full base part, beautiful weaving butta design, full base. This one is border portions contrast red border, and full border portions beautiful weaving lines, very nice one. This one, you know, pallu portion contrast color with fine golden zari, heavy weaving design, heavy worked pallu. And this one, you know, full base part, soft comfortable smart bright looks, pink base golden zari work butta, and this one is border portions. And this one, you know, running blouse piece, very bright smart trendy looks, soft comfortable. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding gorgeous looks. And this one, I know, very beautiful one. Today I have draped tissue linen material, golden zari fine weaving work border portions, and full base part is premium quality pure handloom tissue silk linen with beautiful printed one. Full base part is printed, and this one, you know, pallu portions, very nice one, fully printed pallu, very nice one, tissue linen white golden base, have sign also, and fine weaving border design, very beautiful saree with beautiful jewelry also. If you want same saree with same jewelry, please contact through WhatsApp. Hope you will like our collection. Thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Keep browsing our website. Stay healthy. Have a good day. Thank you so much.